everybody, what's going on? Hope everyone's doing well out there. Today I ended up getting a package in the mail. Kind of a surprise package, something that surprising. I didn't order, somebody else did. So I'm looking at the box, and it's from Amazon Prime, maybe a Prime member of Amazon. There's no return address and there was no love letter or anything inside the box. And I know I said something on one of my videos about getting a like a bracket or something for a tripod for my cell phone, because that's how I do all my videos, is basically with my cell phone. Somebody sent me one, and this was this is a very good surprise. I really appreciate this, and thank you to whoever sent this to me. I don't know who did it, but again, thank you very much. This is something that will be used a lot. So basically, it's a three-legged tripod. These are, you can wrap these around anything you want to wrap it around to, basically, you know, however you want to do your videos, or around a shelf or something, a pole, whatever. Then there is the actual bracket for the phone that locks into here, and this all comes apart and just all snaps together. You have mobility to basically twist, turn, and, you know, however you want to set this up. This is kind of nice. This is very nice. This is very cool. It also comes with a little felt bag that you can store everything else. And a little bonus is having a Bluetooth remote to go with it. This is kind of cool. And a Bluetooth remote, I guess, just does like for still photography, so selfies and stuff like that. But nevertheless, this is a really cool gift. Whoever sent it to me, I really appreciate it, and thank you. Thank you very much. So you guys have a great rest of the week. I know right now it's Wednesday, so we got more rain coming in again. Yippee. But you guys take care and have a good one. And again, thank you very much. Take care. Rock on all.